Hey guys, Herbie here. Today I am going to be doing two different videos. One will be a unboxing and the other one will be shaving off this 4 to 5 day growth with what is in the box. So let's get started. I got my box opener here. No, I don't use this on my face. I recently bought some items offline of wetshaving.com. West Coast Shaving, sorry about that. Fairly nice packaging with all of these peanuts. I got a Barbershop pack. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different ones in here. I got some Gillette blue blades. I'm gonna try those out in the video. I got the lemon lime shaving cream from Taylor of Old Bond Street. Ooh, that smells good. Nice, fresh, fruity smell to it. I can't wait for this shave. I got some Aftershave as well. I'm gonna open up this package. I do have to say everything in this package is nicely wrapped with bubble wrap and everything else. I got some Dr. John's Hydra Aftershave. That's nice. Aftershave Tonic. It smells like an orange peel. Yeah, that's going to be a very nice aftershave to use in the morning. And then I got some Conk products, world famous glycerin shave soap, lime. That smells like soap straight up. I got this in hopes that I can put it in this old mug, this old shaving mug. So, yeah, close enough fit, so that's good. So I got that. Alright, I think that's everything, guys. I'm gonna open up the Barbershop sample packs. So I got the duck fat, the Barbershop soap company shave soap, the Mickey Lee soap. Here's the duck fat. So that looks like quite a bit of stuff. Mickey Lee, the Kraken. Let's see what that smells like. That one smells like soap. So good. Chiseled Face Ghost Town Barber. It has like a nice barbershop smell to it. Dr. John's Classic Barbershop. That one has like a very manly scent to it. Yeah, like an old-timey aftershave type of smell to it. Barrister and Man Seville. Yeah, that one's different. Not really a fan of it. It has a more earthy tone to it, if that even makes sense. Soap Commander Honor. That one has a nice, that's kind of hard to put my tongue on. And Duck Fat Pier. That one has a very interesting smell to it. I just don't know what that one smells like. That's duck fat. The opening notes of fruit give way to a more traditional blend of geranium and light oak moss. Nice. So yeah, that's everything that I got. So in the upcoming weeks, we will be trying out every one of these soaps, along with this soap, the Blaze, and the Hydra Aftershave. So yeah, we're gonna have fun with this one, guys. All right, thank you for watching.